Yogyakarta, a world cultural heritage city, a city blessed with beauty, hospitality, and diversity. Here, Universitas Gadjah Mada, or UGM, is located, a popular campus with a culture and modest manners. UGM has been a pioneer of civilization, science, and advance of Indonesia for the world's humanity. As part of the UGM entity, Bachelor of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness Study Program participates in responding to challenges and equipping the next generation to contribute significantly to the entire communities. The Bachelor of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness Study Program has contributed in breeding patriots who are able to contribute to improving farmers' welfare and food security.
Hi Gadjah Mada University friends, here is the campus of Faculty of Agriculture. In this campus, there is a study program of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness. If you learn in that study program, you learn about economics and also management and its implementation in agricultural business.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, now let me introduce my department. The name of department is Department of Agricultural Socioeconomic. This department already established in 1950s. Nowadays, the department manages 4 study programs and 2 PhD programs. Those are undergraduate program in Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness, undergraduate study program in Agriculture Extension and Communication, Master Program in Agriculture Economics, Master Program in Management Agribusiness, and 2 PhD programs, that is PhD in Agriculture Economics and PhD in Management Agribusiness.
The vision of this study program is becoming the excellent study program in the level of national and international, and also producing competitive human resource, develop and preserve agricultural economics and agribusiness, and apply the science to improve the welfare of community based on the value of Pancasila.
By implementing an outcome-based curriculum, a student-centered learning methods, students will have a marvelous experience to equip them with knowledge, skills, and good personality. The learning program is delivered with the philosophy of Ing Ngarso Sum Tulodo, delivering an idea of practices and knowledge. Ing Madyo Mangun Karso, building students' motivation and passion to develop themselves, and Tut Wuri Handayani, awarding support to students to achieve a bright future.
There are 4 missions of study program. First, conducting research-based education in agricultural economics and agribusiness. The second, conducting strategic research in sustainable agricultural and agribusiness economic through collaboration with national and international institutions. Third, organizing community service with populist-oriented program for empowerment and improvement of community welfare.
Lecture in the Department of Agricultural Socioeconomic, especially study program of Agriculture Economic and Agribusiness, graduated from Universitas Gadjah Mada and also from foreign university such as Wisconsin University, Oregon University, Queensland University, Tohoku University, Tokyo University, Kobe University, and University of Putra, Malaysia. Agroeconomic Journal belong to the department as accredited by the Minister of National Education since 2016. Alumni and lecturers of the study program have held important positions in government, banking, and the private sector, including being reliable entrepreneur. Some of them is Minister of Agriculture, Head of the Logistic Affairs Agency, President Director of Gavon Bank, Managing Director of Plantation Company, and General Manager of National Media.
The infrastructure and facilities provided for learning activities are very representative for the academic community to develop science related to this study program. This study program is facilitated with 3 laboratories: Agribusiness Laboratory, Agricultural and Natural Resources Policy Laboratory, Agricultural and Agribusiness Socioeconomic Modeling Laboratory. A supportive environment encourages students to interact, discuss, and build a social work balance. The value of equality is upheld by providing various facilities for persons with disabilities to eliminate various limitations in every learning program. In addition, the Bachelor of Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness Study Program also has a seminar room with adequate capacity and discussion rooms. This study program is also supported by facilities managed by the Faculty of Agriculture and Universitas Gadjah Mada, such as prayer rooms, health centers, libraries, and of course, a comfortable cafeteria. The synergy between study programs within the faculty allows students to also access such learning facilities such as warehouses and field research.
We have teaching industry. Gadjah Mada University have teaching industry PT Pagilaran, and we use that PT Pagilaran for teaching and conducting research with the student in terms of operating agribusiness company.
Study program of agricultural economics and agribusiness is one of the study program in the Faculty of Agriculture. The strength of this study program is that the study program learn about managerial aspect of agriculture as well as agricultural policy. The faculty and the study program already has very good achievement by developing 3 kinds of business model. One is development of KUD concept, agricultural village unit is founded by this study program, and then the second is development of contract farming in the Faculty of Agriculture. In the PT Pagilaran, the tea business company develop the contract farming with farmer, and the third is the development of collaboration business model in the black soybean industry by developing institutional development, faculty, and then community and Unilever. Thank you very much.
Tridharma. The entire academic community takes part not only in education and research, but also community service. Students' interaction with society will provide opportunities to build emotional and spiritual intelligence, make them intelligent and virtuous individuals. Students of the Bachelor of Agriculture Economics and Agribusiness Study Program have the opportunity to interact directly with farmers, staying with farmers for a few days so that they can observe and learn about the real state of farming.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Endang General Sikin, Ekonomi Pertanian UGM tahun 2004. Teman-teman, saya sering cerita bahwa ketika saya di kampus mendapatkan ilmu praktikum dan teori, ternyata alhamdulillah sampai dengan detik ini saya memanfaatkan itu dan bisa menjadikan saya sebagai entrepreneurship.
Belajar di Prodi Ekonomi Pertanian Agribisnis telah memberikan saya pemahaman mengenai pentingnya pengelolaan bisnis yang tepat di dunia pertanian. dan menjadi bekal penting di dunia pekerjaan yang sedang saya tekuni saat ini, khususnya dalam hal pemberdayaan masyarakat, UMKM, dan pelaku usaha pertanian.
The Agricultural Economics and Agribusiness Study Program will continue contributing to education in the socio-agricultural science and creating patriotic generations.